Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download photos from Google Photos in 2026. First, open Google Photos in your web browser and sign in to your Google account. Now open the photo you want to download. Next, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options. From the menu, click Download. Google Photos will start downloading the selected photo to your computer. Wait a few seconds for the download to finish. The photo will usually be saved in your Downloads folder. Now open the Downloads folder to confirm that the photo has been downloaded successfully. If you want to download multiple photos, go back to the Photos section and select several photos at once. Then click the three-dot menu and choose Download. Google Photos will download the selected photos as a zip file. This is useful if you want to back up your photos, transfer them to another device, or save copies on your computer. That's it. This is the easiest way to download photos from Google Photos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Google Photos tutorials.